I'm super excited. I just got these boots in from Amazon. They are the viral like fold over knee-high boots with the pointed toe, leather material, and they're so cute. They're in this cute like chocolate brown color. So obviously I have to put them on and style them, but let me just show you. These are such good quality, the pointed toe, and then the zipper is actually hidden on the inside underneath the fold over. So let's put these on. So they are, again, like the pointed toe, and then they have probably like a 2-inch heel that's like a chunky heel, so they're really comfortable. And I'm just literally in love. Great way to elevate literally any outfit. You can either go blacks or browns with these, since the bottom is black, but then the boots themselves are brown, like a chocolate brown.